Only 7 minutes ago, one of the biggest clues yet about Elon Musk's long-rumored Model 2 was leaked, straight from the Fremont Factory. These new castings are hinting at a new chassis manufacturing technique that Tesla is developing to simplify the entire car structure. No more hundreds of parts, a Tesla will now be just a few piece assembly. If Model 2 is really being built this way, we could be looking at the secret for a sub-$20,000 EV that's lighter, stronger, and more durable than anything in its class. No one outside Fremont knows the full details, except for what we've uncovered here at AutoGearshift. In today's video, let's take a closer look at how Tesla will simplify everything about the Model 2 to boost performance and convenience, along with its breakthrough battery changes that could redefine what a cheap EV can do. And before we jump in, don't forget to hit subscribe and help us reach our goal of 7,999 new subscribers. Your support really makes the difference. How will the Fremont plant cut 90% of the welds on Tesla Model 2 with a three-piece assembly design? Do you know how many welds are on the car you're driving? A typical sedan has 400 stamped steel panels, stitched together with over 6,000 spot welds. That's a lot. Elon Musk has been ahead of the industry by nearly a decade, knowing every weld is a potential weak spot, scattered across the frame. From the Model 3 with about 5,000 spot welds in its body, Tesla moved to the Model Y, casting the whole rear frame as a single piece, cutting over 1,600 welds to just 3,400. Now, with the Model 2, that number is getting slashed by 90%, leaving fewer than 400 welds in the entire car. This is coming from Tesla's third-generation manufacturing, where the Model 2 is built from a standardized three-piece design with a front megacast, a rear megacast, and the structural battery pack in between. From the leaked images at Fremont, we can see a series of rear assemblies being cast into a single piece. No panels of rails, shock towers, or others. These castings are believed to be made using a 50,000-ton gigacasting press, a massive thing that is powerful enough to cast both the front and rear sections of the car all in one go to ditch 2,100 welds. The structural battery pack is where Tesla says no to the 800 welds. While Ford and GM still place battery modules in a separate frame and secure them to the body, Tesla, however, has turned the battery into the car's floor. Nearly all 700 perimeter and crossbeam welds are gone. And to boost structural strength, a layer of aerospace-grade structural adhesive, which is the same class of adhesive that holds airplane wings to fuselages at speeds of thousands of kilometers per hour, will be applied along the battery pack's edge. When the three megacast pieces are merged together, they only need just 16 welds. The total joining surface is now condensed into about 0.9 meters, acting like a giant hinge that boosts the Model 2's torsional rigidity by nearly 30% compared with the Model 3. In total, Tesla can drop over 3,000 welds from this car and 90 kilos of dead metal. While most EVs carry 270 to 300 kilos of welded-together steel, dragging down efficiency and performance, the Model 2's 180-kilo frame is in a league of its own, giving you around 30 extra miles of range per charge and slashing the 0 to 60 miles per hour time to an impressive 2.9 seconds. And the Model 2's frame can last up to 30 years. That means while Mustang Mach-E or Hyundai Ioniq 5 owners have to visit the garage twice a year and spend $8,000 to $12,000 to fix rust and cracked paint around thousands of welds, Tesla will keep that money in your pocket. Is that ideal to make Model 2 your pick? Type Model 2 if it does, or tell us why not by leaving a comment below. How is Tesla improving Model 2's LFP batteries with a blended cathode active material? Everyone's talking about aluminum ion, sodium ion, but right now Tesla still sees a massive room to grow in LFP. And for the Model 2, they're making it more reliable and efficient. A $4.3 billion LFP battery supply deal between Tesla and LG Energy Solution was signed just 2 weeks ago. And with its LFP factory over in Nevada, Tesla is doing all things to reduce reliance on China at a time when tariffs and political uncertainty are making supply chains riskier than ever. It's a clear signal they're serious about expanding LFP for millions of affordable cars to come. By avoiding the $25,000 tariff and adding the $7,500 federal EV credit, the final price of the Model 2 could even come in under $17,000 when it comes to your house. But that number's not the whole thing. To balance between performance and affordability, Tesla is reshaping the materials inside its LFP batteries. And we're going to see their patented blended cathode active material formula in the Model 2's LFP battery pack. Still 98% LFP, but a tiny 2% of nickel oxide active material is added to give it extra punch. With Tesla now manufacturing its own LFP, this small change won't cost you more but will bump the battery's energy density from 160 to 180 watt-hours per kilogram to around 190 to 210 watt-hours per kilogram. That means the Model 2 will deliver about 300 miles per charge, roughly 12% more than standard LFP packs. For budget EVs, this kind of performance is unheard of when we look at the BYD Dolphin barely hitting 220 miles, or the VW ID. 2 at 240. Furthermore, the nickel materials for hybrid cathode are also ground and heat-treated at around 1470 degrees Fahrenheit to burn off impurities, creating a cleaner mix that resists degradation and extends 30% cycle life. That means Model 2's blended cells can retain over 90% of its capacity even after 9,000 full charge cycles at 60 degrees Celsius and 2.5 million miles of use. That higher limit makes the Model 2's battery far safer even under superfast charging at around 700 kilowatts, taking it from 10% to 80% in just about 14 minutes. How Tesla Model 2 could be a truly hands-off car. Tesla is simplifying everything about their cars. But not to make them boring, not to strip away smart features, but to make life easier. From the start, Tesla won't send you to a showroom, sign piles of paperwork. On Tesla.com or the Tesla app, getting a Model 2 will be done in a few clicks. Just need to pick your car, choose the color, wheels, and interior like adding items to a shopping cart. No long contracts, just a clean checkout page with Apple Pay or card payment. Real-time updates on production and delivery will be sent to the buyer's phone. Then a few weeks later, you get the Model 2 dropped at your driveway, fully charged and ready to drive. Ownership is just as simple. The car is connected directly to the Tesla cloud and continuously monitored through the vehicle diagnostics system. When there is a problem, the AI system detects it remotely and sends a notification right to your Tesla app. More than 80% of software issues are handled immediately with OTA updates, from battery tuning to autopilot improvements, all while the car is parked in the garage. For minor hardware issues, Tesla provides mobile service and technicians bring tools to your home to fix the problem within a few hours. But most importantly, driving a Model 2 burns fewer calories than sleeping. With FSD V14 being called Tesla's second major FSD update after FSD 12, you barely have to steer. This technology feels sentient and delivers explosive performance like never before, said by Elon Musk. The AI5 chip will deliver around 2,500 TOPS, over 10 times the compute of the older HW4, allowing the car to process vision inputs up to 120 frames per second and react in under 50 milliseconds, faster than human reflexes. Combined with 8 cameras, 12 ultrasonic sensors, and 3 radar units, the Model 2 can navigate city streets and highways more reliably. Lane keeping is 35% more precise, and intersection handling is roughly 40% more accurate than previous FSD versions. And what Elon Musk brought to this car is enough to make it run like a robo-taxi or revenue generator. That means while you're sitting at home, your Model 2 can be out on the road, ferrying passengers and earning $30,000 to $40,000 a year. It basically pays you back, and could even make more than what you spent on the car. That's the latest we've got on what's coming with the Tesla Model 2, a budget EV that still carries the best of Tesla's tech and performance. But it's far from the full story. There's plenty more to uncover, and we'll bring you every update in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, share it with other fellow EV fans to support Auto Gear Shift. Stay electric, and see you in the next videos.